and welcome to Dino Kinder. Today we are going to learn farm animals. Most farm animals give us food that we eat. We have the cow, goat. The cow and the goat give us milk. Do you drink milk? Next, we have the pig, goose. The pig and the goose give us meat. Do you eat meat? We also have other farm animals like the horse, rooster, rabbit, llama, and what about this one? Very good. This is a duck. A duck gives us egg. Do you eat egg? Fantastic. So again, remember the farm animals. We have the goat, cow, goose, goat, llama, pig, horse, rabbit, and the rooster. Now, what about you? Can you give 3 farm animals that you learned today? Excellent.